What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get massive arms. Obviously I don't have massive arms, but I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. I haven't been training, so that's no secret. Anyways, we're going to dive right into the video. Let's go. We're going to start off with chair dips. We're going to do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next exercise is kickbacks, but we're going to do it a little bit differently without weights. So you're going to put you're going to put your elbow up, elbow above in the air like this, and then you're going to push off and as much pressure as needed. Okay, so just push off, act like normally you would just use a weight like this for this exercise. It's called a tricep kickback, but we're going to use it without a weight. So usually you would put your elbow up like this and then use a dumbbell to pull your arm. What you're going to do is put your arm like that and then just press, and then do 10 to 12 reps for that, and 3 sets. And then we're going to finish with classic push-ups. So just 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So with each exercise, we're going to do 10 reps and then 3 sets. So that's the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to get better and better at doing the videos. I haven't done one in ages, a workout video. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the notifications bell for more videos, and I'll talk to you later.